A 1998 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am known as the Gold Rush has just made waves in the automotive world, fetching an incredible $60,000 at auction despite its controversial history. This car isn't just any Firebird, it's a one-off prototype that holds a significant place in General Motors' legacy. But what makes this rare Trans Am even more interesting is the journey it's taken, from being part of GM's test car fleet to having a junk title in 2009, before eventually selling for a staggering price in 2025. The Pontiac Firebird in question is unique not only for its custom appearance but also for its technical specifications. Known as the Gold Rush because of its eye-catching sport gold metallic paint finish, it originally debuted at the 2001 SEMA Show, capturing the attention of enthusiasts and media alike. As the first production LS1 powered model of the Pontiac Firebird Trans Am, this car holds VIN 00001, making it an invaluable piece of automotive history. Under the hood, the Firebird is powered by a custom 383 cubic inch LS1 engine, which was rebuilt by Westech Automotive. With performance upgrades including a Lunati-forged crankshaft, Holley fuel injectors, Excel intake and ignition components, and Ram air induction, it's clear that this Trans Am is not only rare but also a high-performance machine. A Tremec T56 6-speed manual transmission and a carbon fiber drive shaft complete the drivetrain, ensuring that the car is ready for action on any track. Despite its performance prowess, the Pontiac Firebird faced challenges along the way. In 2009, the car was issued a junk title by the state of Michigan, which severely impacted its market value. It was then sold at a Barrett-Jackson auction that year, but its damaged title and history likely kept it from reaching its full potential in terms of price. The car was listed multiple times, including a listing on eBay with a "buy it now" price of $115,000, but it wasn't until late 2020 that it was sold again, making its rounds on various sales platforms. This Gold Rush Firebird was not street legal, a major factor that likely deterred potential buyers, especially since it couldn't be driven on public roads. However, this didn't stop the Trans Am from becoming a collector's item. Despite its history of dents, dings, and a non-salvageable title, the car found a new home in Bowling Green, Kentucky, at an auction on Bring a Trailer for $60,000. While the new owner won't be able to drive it on the street, the car will likely be displayed at car shows, events, and track days where enthusiasts can admire this piece of automotive history. So, what makes the Gold Rush Firebird so valuable? It's the combination of rarity, its historical significance as a GM test vehicle, and the fact that it represents a piece of Pontiac's legacy. The Firebird Trans Am, even in its most standard form, has long been a favorite among muscle car enthusiasts. However, when you add a unique build like this one, featuring custom components and GM's personal touch, it becomes a rare treasure. In conclusion, the 1998 Pontiac Firebird Gold Rush serves as a reminder of how valuable rare, one-off vehicles can be, especially when they have a story to tell. Although the car's journey has been anything but smooth, it's clear that collectors are willing to pay top dollar for a piece of history. Time will tell how long this Trans Am stays in the hands of its new owner before it makes its way back onto the market.